Hello there, welcome to our channel Log News again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your HelloFresh account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your HelloFresh account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in HelloFresh.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for HelloFresh login itself on the Google, and on the first result there is the HelloFresh.com. Click over there and you can see after the page loads, both of these pages are same. One was from the Google and one was from the direct website. So let's close one of these, and now to log into your HelloFresh account, you can see the login option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on login, and after that you'll be redirected to this login page of the HelloFresh itself, where you'll be required to enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here and click on login to sign into your HelloFresh account from over here. Or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password or reset it. Or if you want to log into your HelloFresh account with your Facebook, Google, or your Apple ID, simply click on one of these links with which you want to log into. For example, let's click on the Facebook, and you can see the pop-up appear to log into your HelloFresh account with your Facebook account. Similarly, the login pages for Google and Apple also will open like the same for we did for Facebook. And with that being said, if you have not yet created an account on HelloFresh, simply click sign up to go through a registration process of HelloFresh. And guys, this is how you log into your HelloFresh account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.